Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to talk to you about the one mistake that a lot of homeowners make that's costing them a lot of money. All right, let's get into it. I myself have had customers, when I go into a customer's house, my sales guys have come back and say, hey, this customer is asking to see if we can go clear glass instead of low E glass because they don't like that green hue that you see from the glass. But here's the problem. If you're going to get brand new windows in any material, whether it's vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, wood, whatever, if you get it without low E protection, all you're doing is getting a benefit of sound, better sound in your house. It'll be quieter, but you're not gonna have much in the performance of what low E offers you. They're not really gonna do anything for the summer heat, or if it's cold outside. It's just gonna transfer this right inside the house. The sunlight, the UV rays that come from the sun that were bleaching your floors before, if you had carpet, really nice, fancy carpet, maybe you had some really nice furniture, none of that's gonna get protected. The standard for most windows are going to block about 95% of UV rays, and that's a huge number. When it comes down to your AC running all day long, well, not much is going to happen there. It's going to continue to run very, very often. It's not going to help you as far as your energy bills because the windows aren't doing anything to really help you. Low E coatings is where it's at. If it's really, really hot outside, it feels nice and cool in your house. Your AC is running a third of the time. Why? Because that low E is stopping that heat from coming in. I've gone online and I've looked at people who have done this, right? And they do say, hey, listen, we had to go back out and get new glass panels installed on these windows. It's like, well, you just spent thousands that you didn't need to. You could have already had it done because honestly, most places are going to add low E for free. If you install your windows without that low E coating, and then all of a sudden, after the fact, you're like, you know what, maybe I should have done that. But now you gotta pay for the new glass panels and labor to get them all installed. And hopefully they know what they're doing and they don't damage up your windows. That's the biggest thing I wanna kind of send home in this video. You want the protection from the sun and you want energy efficiency. You wanna save money. You wanna go green. All right, guys, make it a great day. Before you click off this video, if you live in the Ventura, LA, or Dallas-Fort Worth area and you are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to the website, click on the request. The link is down below in the descriptions. I will reach out to you. Thank you guys so much.